Hello from Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublet, and we're going to be looking at my brand new arrival. It's a 2022 Summit 355FL Loft. It is linen colored with tan window and door package and clay corners and trim package. It's got lineals. One thing about bark models, everything in them stays in them. So let's go have a tour of the inside. This is a 4K video, so I'm going to try to keep it short and to the point. We have a sleeper sofa. There is plank wood linoleum, which is actually PVC flooring on the entire main floor. Table and 4 chairs. There is storage underneath. In the front here, I have added a 32-inch Vizio, a sound bar, the fireplace. It actually throws out heat, and a Blu-ray DVD. Comes with all the furnishings, just like I told you. A rocker recliner. There's mini blinds on every window. You just pull them down. There's a mini blind. Kitchen. It's a functional kitchen. It's got probably nicer appliances than I got in my house. You got a stainless steel sink. 5-burner Frigidaire stove. Microwave. Nice big 18.5 cubic foot fridge. Pantry, queen bed, nightstand and lamp. There is carpeting in the bedroom. These drawers are full extension ball bearing drawer guides. That's a nice feature. There's lights in the closets. This is hers, and over there is his. So it's the his and hers closet. Last but not least, it's the hall pantry. We'll check out the bathroom. Of course, it's a park model, so you got a house type toilet. You've got a shower and tub surround, so you can take a shower or take a bath. It's a Frontline full-size shower tub surround. Got a window in the bathroom. You got a medicine cabinet in the bathroom. You have a vanity in the bathroom. Heading back out into the kitchen. There's quite a few drawers and storage cabinets in here. Show you around a little bit. Full extension ball bearing drawer guides. There's a little bit of storage under the loft stairs. A couple doors there. Maybe fit some linens or something in it. Let's go check out the loft. And then that's gonna pretty much be the end of my video. Trying to keep it under 4 minutes. Got the auxiliary air conditioner up here. That's an extra to keep your sleepers or your kids cold. And then looking down in the front, kitchen, living room. That's it. Well, thanks for watching my video.